Hey everyone, and welcome to Teach, Pray, Slay, where we do just that. We teach, we pray, and we slay our lifestyle, beauty, and goals together. On this video, we are going to be decluttering and cleaning my home. So if you would like to join me while I declutter my home and get it ready for fall, go ahead and stay tuned to this video. If you have not done so yet, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? So if you have any suggestions, go ahead and leave it in the comment box. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell for future content. So let's go ahead and continue to clean my home. As you see right here, I am just cleaning my dining room and getting it ready for fall. I use Windex, as you can see. A lot of people like the clean method supplies. I don't really care for those, so I just use Windex. As you can see, I have my new tin, and I'm so excited to put my floral arrangement for fall in there. So cute to me. It's so cute. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my coasters back up and begin to clean up my dining room. Before I move on, I want to make sure I sweep up this area. I like to sweep each room as I go, and then I go back and mop every room, if that makes sense. I don't know. I just like to sweep twice, so yeah, you're probably going to see me sweep twice. Now I'm going to go ahead and fix my desk area. I want to make that look as like fall, I guess, and put all my new things that I got from my haul on my desk. So as you can see, I like to use Pledge because on my countertops or my desktop, because I use candles, and sometimes the ashes from the candles get on my desk, and the oil from Pledge usually like makes it come up a little bit easier. So that's the only reason why I use that. I also sometimes use hand sanitizer to get that up. So now I'm going to go ahead and get some cleaning supplies to actually clean it, because I was just trying to remove the ashes, but now I'm going to clean it with my Fabuloso. And yes, in this video you're going to see me use a lot of paper towels, and I know that was bad, but I could not find my microfiber towels. I don't know where they are. So here is a pumpkin that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I also am, of course, going to use my sandalwood myrrh. I had to take the tag off, that's why I looked kind of weird. And of course, my sage. Over here, I think I want to put my We Gather Together sign that I got today. I love that sign. I think it's so cute. And this just made my desk really look like fall. I just really liked it. So now I'm going to pick up everything in my living room. I'm going to put everything back because I just did my haul video, which if you did not see my haul video, you can go ahead and check it out. It should be pop up above. So go ahead and check that out to see all the things I bought before I actually decluttered and cleaned up and got my house ready for fall. So I'm just putting things back, and now I'm going to go ahead and Lysol and clean up my pillows. I just want to let you know I did not buy anything for my couch, but I am going to buy a throw cover, and I am going to buy probably 2 pumpkin pillows. I really want to find 2 pumpkin pillows. I just think that would make it look cute. And now I'm going to Febreze my couch. Now it's time to just dust and wipe off all the dust. I do this like once or twice a week, so that's why it doesn't take me long at all. Yeah, so I'm just getting all the dust off my shelves. And I love that pumpkin. I just love that pumpkin. And now I'm going to get my other shelves. Get all the dust off of there. And I am going to move on from there and begin sweeping. And of course, after you finish cleaning a room, you must sweep, and then you must have a dance break. If you do not clean to music, I don't know what's going on in your life. Like, I have to listen to Toni Braxton, but today I was listening to Brandy and Monica Versus. I was killing it, y'all. I'm killing it. So now let's get into this kitchen. I am going to clean up my coffee nook, and I just wiped it off with some Clorox and just got all the debris or any dust that I could, and wiped off my cabinets. Of course, please make sure you're wiping off those cabinets. And I decided to put Be Still and Know That God in the tin can over there, but I didn't like the placement, so you are going to see me remove that from over there. Of course, you see Brooklyn Little Medicine and her jar. So now I'm going to move over to my countertops that's near my stove. Just to let you know, I like to Clorox those. And then big secret that my Aunt Linda taught me, and that is to use Windex on your stove. I clean my stove regularly, so I just want to let you know, like, it was already cleaned, but I then use the Windex after just to give it a glow and a shine. And I also use the Clean Method stainless steel cleaner for it, and for my microwave and my refrigerator. So yeah, I love using Windex, and it just gives it a really like bright shine. I don't know, it just makes it look brand new, if that makes sense. Makes it looks like no one has ever cooked on that stove. So yeah, I like that look. I don't know, that's just me. All right, so back to this coffee nook. I decided to move that Be Still and Know That I Am God sign to over by my stove, so I can put my mugs over by my coffee station, which I don't drink coffee, I drink tea, but I just thought it looked cute over there, and it would just be very convenient to, you know, sit right there. All right, so now to the bigger job, because you know I moved everything from the living room on top of my counter, my island. So now I need to go ahead and put my decorations and everything up, get all the cleaning utensils that I've been using and put those up. And now I am going to begin cleaning everything off and decorating at the same time, if that makes sense. All right. So, and yes, I wipe off my counter. I just want to make a disclaimer. I wipe off my counter with hot water, and then I go around with the cleaner. I don't know why I do that, but I don't know. y'all gonna see me get my countertop more than once, and that's how I keep my countertop white. A lot of people's like, you always like your countertop is so white. Yeah, it really is, but that's how I keep it white. And just to let everyone know, yes, I love to use Fabuloso, and yes, that is hot water. I cannot express enough how much you need hot water. Like, you need it to clean. I just don't, I don't know how people don't clean with hot water, but some people don't. But hey, it's whatever floats your boat. Alright, so I now put my tin in my leaves, candles, and I put my sugar, what was it called? Oh, my pumpkin cupcake soap, y'all. And now I light my candles to set the mood and set the ambiance. So what is not seen here is I went ahead and I took out my trash after I lit my candles. And I also, well, you're going to see me sweep, but I also went ahead and mopped my floors and cleaned out Brooklyn's little gate area, which hers really pretty much is not dirty because I clean it every day. So, yeah. All right, I am officially done. I am officially done cleaning. And y'all, that took so long that I am going to put a part 2 to show you how my house looks after prepping it for fall. Lot going on. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe, click that notification bell, and also if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have suggestions on future content, leave it down below. And if you would like to see part 2 of this video, which is coming up and will pop up here, go ahead and click that video. Whew, I'm sorry, I am out of breath. But it is done. It is done. So, as always, make sure in everything you do, you are teaching, praying, and slaying. And all my videos are always done with love. Key. Bye. See you later.